Now, if you're someone who loves catering, cooking, hosting, dinner parties, or maybe you are that person that always gets left to do the Christmas dinner, and it's kind of hard to navigate what you're going to do first, what should you put on first, because if you do the veg, then the meat's going to get cold, or the potatoes. These are brilliant because these are insulated pots that last up to 6 hours. They retain the heat. 3 different sizes. They come with a really easy screw lid, and there we go. You've got your stainless steel insulation. So great for things like curries, pasta dishes, vegetables on Christmas Day. You can keep everything warm because it is stressful sometimes trying to time everything. And if you are cooking for multiple people, perhaps you've got a dinner party of 6 or 8 guests coming, it's really hard to get the timings right for everything, and also you haven't got the hob space. So these are fantastic for that. They look great as well. They're lightweight, so lack of dexterity, great for that. They're $12.99 for the 3. You get the 3 different sizes, small, medium and large, and they are available on the website www.lifestylelivingoutlet.co.uk.